Hello everyone. In this video I would like to talk about the Elliott wave count for basically for beginners and give you a simple tool that might help you in waves calculation. The tool is called the AO indicator right here below the chart. It's taken from Bill Williams' trading strategy Trading Chaos, and I really like using it as an assist in waves calculation. And in this video I will give you some tips on how to identify waves with a higher quality, okay, and use them in your analysis and trading. Okay, so the first point, when you open the chart, I want you to look more at the AO indicator rather than the price. Okay, so the first point is we need to identify the highest extremums or the lowest extremums of AO indicator if we are in a bearish cycle, and highest peaks if we are in a bullish cycle. Okay, so relatively if we take basically all this information from the indicator, we need to find the highest extremums on the chart, on the indicator. So they are right here. So most of the time the highest extremums on this indicator gives us information that there was the third wave right here. So the highest peaks can give us indication that in this part of the chart and supported by indicator we've had the third wave, and after that it becomes much easier to find all other waves that we had before and basically are might form in the future. So this is the first tip. The second tip is about the fourth wave. The fourth wave has always cross in the bullish cycle. In this example is always having a cross below the zero line after the third wave. So we had our highest peaks and we need to identify the cross below the zero line of the AO indicator right here. So this gives us indication that the fourth wave is in the process and we should expect a corrective, basically a continuation in correction within the fourth wave. Okay, so this is the second tip. And the third tip, once we identify the third wave and the fourth wave, it becomes much easier to find the second wave and the first wave before. We can find the 0 point or an X point where we can identify the start of the cycle. We can easily find the first wave, we can find the second one, third one with the highest peaks on the AO indicator, and the fourth wave. Okay, now the fifth wave is much easier when we found the previous ones, because most of the time, like 90% of the time, or maybe even higher than that, we have AO indicator prices, AO indicator values, let's say like that, lower than the extremums in the third wave. So we can easily see when we look at the chart, we have prices higher than our third wave and the AO indicator values lower than in the third wave. And we can apply such term as the AO divergence when the prices, like this, when the prices grow, okay, but the AO indicator value doesn't support the growth in terms of the highest peaks. So the price grows and the peaks are lower and lower after that. And this gives us basically a strong indication that there might be an end of the bullish cycle in this case. Okay, and we should expect a change of trend or beginning of the correction, such as A, B, C. So when you see when you open a new chart and you see a lot of high peaks on the AO indicator, with high probability it may be the third wave on any period on the higher count or on the lower count. So basically that's my tip. Once you find the third wave, you can find the fourth wave. Here is a nice ABCDE triangle pattern within the fourth wave, and we can find also the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves in the fifth one as an ending fifth wave in the cycle. This is a really textbook chart on Rune USDT on the 4 hours chart. Okay, most of the time the charts won't be as textbook like, and I suggest looking through the market and find the charts where the prices gives us a more or less understandable picture. And once you find those charts, it becomes much easier to trade on them and make your trading decisions, and basically improve your win rate in your trading. That's basically it. Thank you a lot for your attention. I wish you good luck in your trading, and please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and join my Telegram channel below the video. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.